Hey everyone, what's up? And if you're new here, my name is Naomi and this is a very exciting video. If you didn't know, I've been to Japan recently, just got back yesterday and spent about 2 full, solid weeks there, to be honest, and then maybe a few days added onto that. So it was an incredible trip. I got to visit lots of family, which is the priority here, but on the back burner, I've been on the hunt for many different snacks, candies, gifts, souvenirs, you name it. But yes, this is a huge haul. If you don't already know, or if you couldn't tell by the thumbnail, this organized chaos that I'm about to share with you guys, this is everything in terms of food. I think I'm gonna have to make like a whole nother video just for like everything else, but this is the main, just like the main event, I guess I'd say. Okay, let's get started. Japan is a huge hub for different like fun Kit Kat flavors. I've got them all here with me now. So to start, we've got these, it says adult strawberry flavor. They're trying to say that it's a very stronger strawberry flavor than you'd experience amongst other Kit Kat strawberry flavors, but these are a huge hit amongst our neighbors and friends and whatnot, so we got 3 bags of those. This is new to me. They have peach. Excited to try that for myself. And then we've got this, it says original, and then this is the strawberry flavor that you just saw. It's like strawberry gâteau chocolate, kind of this cake thing that's on here. So I'm expecting, it looks like it's mostly chocolate and then with the wafers, of course, and then that strawberry will be in the middle. These are also special Kit Kat flavors, and these are very cute because the packaging comes in something that I would just want to keep, honestly. It says Mount Fuji edition, and then this is blueberry cheesecake flavor, so that's very special. And then we get into the more like special editions beyond what I've already shown you. This one says, and again, strawberry. It says Amao strawberry. Can't tell you exactly how that's going to be any different from the ones I've already seen, but looking forward to trying it out. This is basically uji matcha flavor. This one is strawberry cheesecake, so it's not like the Mount Fuji edition, but it is special. But it's also, if you haven't already noticed, it is a strawberry. Last one, not a strawberry. It's called Tokyo Shima Lemon. This one will probably be super refreshing. And then, so that was all the Kit Kats. There's also another very popular range of candies in Japan, well known in the US now, called Haichu. This is also a very special Mount Fuji edition. This time it's with Haichu, and this one is Yamanashi Peach as well as Shizuoka Crown Melon. Japanese fruits are like almost a delicacy. Like I don't know, they're just better, and I don't know why, but you know, there's like strawberries that are worth over $1,000 because it was like cultivated a certain way to taste a certain way that's like sweeter or whatever. So that's why the fruit flavors are so like special. Beyond that, we also picked up some others like interesting Haichus that we don't really see here in the States, but this is Haichu Premium. And it's more, rather than having a soft outer, it's like a more like harder shell with the flavoring being softer in the middle. So got 3 of those. Another premium flavor we found is white grape, I believe. That one. And this one is aloe. And aloe or aloe in Japan is very popular, especially within their yogurt. One of my favorite yogurts in Japan is aloe yogurt, so kind of got this for myself, and I'm hoping that it'll taste good, obviously. So that's all of the Haichus. actually forgot to mention two more Haichu products, but this one, even in Japan, it's Japan limited, and this one is some sort of lemon flavor. So that's that one. This one comes with these like sticks of Haichu, and then they have like individually wrapped ones within these. This one I'm super excited about. It's also a Japan limited, and it's some sort of a fruit smoothie that includes mango, banana, pineapple, and like I had this other one before, it has 5 sticks. Now I can move on to the next set of items. So these, some of them we bought, some of them were given to us by one of my aunts, and so let's talk about those. This is basically, it's called Apollo. This is basically mainly strawberry chocolate with, has like a milk chocolate bottom, and they're so good. They're so good. One of my favorites. So this is, it includes this candy and this candy. I think together are both in here. Very popular. I think one is supposed to be an acorn, other is supposed to be a mushroom, and it's got like a kind of like a cookie coated with this chocolate. You know, just chef's kiss on those. Got another one. This one is pretty much what I just showed you, except they have matcha, which I think even Japan is starting to like incorporate matcha flavors even more. Speaking of matcha, again, Meiji chocolate, which is basically like the Hershey's of Japan, I could say. I think that's fair to say. They made this basically like Apollo looking Mount Fuji inspired chocolate. The packaging for these is also adorable. It's basically this, but like in smaller form. There's another very popular Meiji chocolate called Melty Kiss. And then this last one is a lot like Haichu. It's little like jellies inside that are like chewable. You can get these in Japan, but you can order these in the US at any Starbucks location. But this is a very convenient package of powdered matcha latte, and all you need is hot water and this, and you just mix it together, and like boom, you're ready to drink a matcha latte. You can have it cold, you can have it hot. So we found these on the last day that we were in Japan, when we were like scrambling and trying to buy a bunch of candy for the last day. This is what we found. So these are almost like premium Meiji chocolates. This one is fruity cacao and yuzu, and then this one says floral cacao and matcha. So that's that. And then I also forgot to mention that I picked up some good quality matcha as a gift. It's not that hard to find good matcha in Japan, but this one stood out to me for its packaging. Moving on, just because there's a lot of stuff to get through. These are hard candies that are meant to taste like a matcha latte. This is a hard candy that is meant to taste like Japanese melon or cantaloupe. And then these are good for if you're feeling a little sick or something. They're just like lemon flavored vitamin C hard candies. Okay, a lot of the things that I'm about to show you guys is mainly because the packaging is just so cute, but this is what we have. So I found this, it's called Kirafura Gummy, and it's grape flavored, and it's just supposed to look like a star and just have like coated grape flavors. My husband picked this one out, but it looks like a singing trio. Like it's interesting. What I also picked up for myself were some strawberry mochi, kind of like donut gummies. My mom found these for me. They say fruit gummies, white peach flavor from 7-Eleven. Found this one, sorbet gummy. Looked kind of popular. I don't know, it looks like an arcade game almost, for like pixelated, almost like Pac-Man, stuff like that. These are very cute Japanese jelly beans, and I used to eat these a lot as a kid, so maybe some other kids might enjoy them. These are disc-shaped marble chocolates. It's like a classic, And these are also a classic for me as well. They're called Choco Babies, and you can just like, you know, dump as much as you want into your hand and just like eat as much as you want. They're so good and so like easy to eat that these are just gone within seconds. These are some High Chew minis. This is super cute. These are gummies that are meant to be like, it's supposed to be like you take the different pieces that are supposed to be like rice and fish and stack them on top of each other. So I thought that'd be cute for someone's kids, hopefully. And then just some unique gum flavors that my mom kind of pointed out to me. This one is melon, I believe. This is interesting. This is chocolate flavored gum. These were some Mentos that we found. They're caramel apple flavored. So just something that I've never seen before. Getting into some of the sweet and savory. We've got these pukas, which I haven't had, but one of them is, I think, salted pretzel, and this might just be chocolate, just original. Muji is like one of my favorite stores in Japan. We went there and we found some things and definitely stocked up on my favorite, which are these white chocolate coated strawberries. They are so addicting, and there's only like 5 or 6 of them in a whole bag. So I might have kind of bought like 5 of them, and then my husband tried, well, he bought these strawberry chocolate with popping candy. Haven't tried those yet. I also got these matcha chocolate covered freeze-dried strawberries for my friend, and hopefully these are good too. Okay, so there's this brand called Fujiya, and this girl on the front, I think her name is Peko-chan, and there are these like milk-based soft candies. These aren't unique to Japan because we definitely have them in the US, but they're the chocolate covered cream filled milk, like straws basically. We also got strawberry pokey, and these are like the thick ones. These are the thick boys, and they've got like the freeze-dried strawberry pieces stuck to them, so very good. Also, these are very fun, and I got like a big pack of these because these candies are kind of like a subtle lemon undertaste, but they're very chewy, and the kick about these is that the wrapping can be eaten and it just dissolves in your tongue while you're eating. So this is just kind of like, it's not even a gimmicky candy because it's actually really good. We've got just simply some Ghana chocolate. This is roast milk, just something that my husband wanted to try. And then there are these Ichigo mochi chocolates. Another one picked up by my husband is this super butter caramel. Another one from one of my aunts. This is another Meiji product, and it's milk chocolate and white chocolate covered. I'll call them like osenbes, which are just like these rice crackers. And this is definitely a sweet and savory mix. If you like sweet and savory, that is a great pick. Like very cute candy that I saw are these Baskin Robbins candies. I don't know if it's like chocolate or what. Not sure if you guys are familiar with Pocari Sweat, which is like an electrolyte drink in Japan. Funny name, but tastes delicious. I think the underdog, this one is called Aquarius. There's some gifts for my dad. I picked up some of this other osenbe, and then this is another form, but this one's sweet. It's like this brown sugar coating. Also picked up these are like Cheetos, but they're supposed to be like Wagyu beef flavored, so interesting. And then there's this very popular kind of like stick shaped snack of various flavors like cheese, corn. They even have like salad, and this is takoyaki flavored. but they cut the stick into rings, so they're just rings of chips flavored like takoyaki. My brother gifted me some things along with my mom. This is like a traditional shaped osenbei. This one's round, and this one's coated with sugar and plum, and it's very sweet. It's like almost like candy. And then I think these are just like mainly like sugar, crystallized sugars that have different shapes in here, like a cherry blossom and hearts and Mount Fuji, and then there's like these little cute ones in there. So love the color variation in that. Just a couple more stuff I picked up for my dad. This is some more tea. This one is called hojicha, and this is more of like a barley flavored one, I think. Next, another item gifted to us by one of my aunts are these like barrel shaped, like I want to say like brown sugar coated like sweet goodness and kind of delicate, and I'm glad they didn't get crushed in my bag, so I'm excited to eat these as well. Something I picked up on the last day as well are these. It's like literally roasted sweet potato, but like this packaging is so cute that I had to pick it up. Packaging item, but not sure if it's gonna taste good. On this one specifically are these cake biscuits. So if you're ever feeling like eating cake but you can't commit to a whole cake biscuits. Getting close to the end, this, if you don't already know, it's called poppin' cookin'. It's like almost like a way to play with your food, and you just mix together all these different dry ingredients with water, and it turns into like this amazing pizza looking meal. So I don't know if I've done this before, or I don't even know if we have this one, so I thought maybe I could try this one and share with you guys, making a video out of it and stuff like that. Also, one of my favorites is this chicken ramen. In Japan, these type of jellies or puddings are very popular. Next, something just a little boring, but there's this leaf called shiso in Japan. So this is a shiso leaf salad dressing, one of my favorites. My mom gave me some decaf apple tea. Again, just like cute packaging items. This is just a pack of a variety flavored of fruit flavored gum. If you know Kewpie mayonnaise, then maybe this is a first. I've never seen like individually packaged Kewpie mayo. I've only ever seen the big bottles. And lastly, I don't know why I saved this for last, but this is jam, and it's special because the lid is actually self-closing, I believe. So we'll see if it works, but if it does, like, that's amazing. So yeah, managed to get through all of that. A little tired, a little jet lagged, but that's okay. Just glad that I was able to do it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. But yeah, if you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below, and I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, but for now, I'm going to be drowning in this bag of snacks. So see you in the next one. Peace.